Before fire, human survival depended entirely on the raw environment. Night brought complete darkness and constant vulnerability. Body heat was the only protection against freezing conditions. Every step required careful awareness of surroundings.
Humans were only one of many vulnerable species.
Darkness erased visibility completely. Activity was limited by natural light cycles. Even shapes became uncertain in fading light. Senses beyond sight became essential. Temperature shaped survival routines. Togetherness reduced environmental risk. Simple materials provided minimal comfort.
Terrain dictated resting locations.
Shelter was opportunistic. Darkness amplified danger perception. Hearing replaced sight in survival importance.
The environment never became silent.
Ocean could attract danger. Silence becomes a survival tactic.
Daylight meant renewed activity.
Awareness began each day. Temperature lag affected comfort.
Natural heat sources were essential.
Life restarted with limited energy. Survival required constant effort.
Nothing could be stored long-term easily. Nutrition came directly from nature.
Timing influenced survival success.
Adaptation was continuous.
Environmental unpredictability shaped caution. Safety required patience.
Movement becomes restricted.
Exposure risk increases sharply.
Technology was not yet available.
Survival cycles depended on climate.
Observation ensured continuity.
Communication is non-verbal.
Basic language begins forming.
Cooperation reduces risk.
Fear of the unknown is constant.
Sleep is fragmented.
Awareness never fully stops. Instinct becomes guide.
Trial and error dominates learning.
Memory improves survival.
No universal lifestyle exists.
Long travel is risky. Safety depends on known territory. Night limits all activity.
Unity reduces vulnerability. Cooperation is necessary.
Survival balance is delicate.
Environment controls behavior.
Familiarity increases safety.
Observation replaces invention. Life is reduced to essentials.
Nature remains unchanged.
Before fire, humanity survived not through power, but through endurance.